In this session, we have discussed about HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Today we have discussed the following topics: Introduction to HTML, then tags, HTML tools, HTML terminology, structure of HTML and nested tags, HTML heading tag, HTML font tag, and HTML list. Then, what is HTML? HTML is a language for developing a web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language. This markup language has tags, n number of tags. With the help of these tags, we have developed our own web pages. Collection of web pages are converted into the website. Then, what is tag? The essence of HTML programming is tag. This HTML having the n number of tags. The tag is nothing but opening and closing tags. Okay, the opening and closing tag is same commanded. Expect the closing the tag contain the additional forwarded slash. With the help of this tag only, we can create our web pages. Then, what are the tools we needed to develop HTML program? There are the two tools are available basically. One is HTML editor, then another one is web browser. To write a code, we need the editor. To implement or deploy our coding, web browser is needed. HTML editor or notepad is a simple editor, we can use it. In that HTML editor or it may be a notepad, we can write the HTML program. Then save as a HTML program with the extension of .html. After that, we can run that HTML program with the help of any one of the browser. That is maybe a Internet Explorer, or it may be a Nescafe, it may be a Mosaic or Chrome. Any one of the browser, we can run the program. Then HTML terminologies. What are the terminology we mostly use? That there are the two types of tag we are using, that is paired tag and unpaired tags. Paired tag means when you have to write a tag, it must be closed. HTML, tables, form, unordered list, order list, paragraph, heading, all those are closing tags, opening and closing tags. Some of the tags need not be closed. That is called unpaired tags. That is break, H references. These are the some unpaired tags. These are the structure of the HTML. When you want to develop your own web page, that HTML is divided into mainly two parts. One is heading part, another one is body part. That is, in that heading part, we have to write only one tag, that is called the title. What we want to show in the title of our web page, it will be shown. For example, when you have to open the Amazon.com will be displayed on the top of it. That is called title. Then what is we are seeing in the inside the screen, it is must be written in the body part. So HTML is basically two parts. One is heading part, another one is body part. In that heading part, we have to write only title, which is we want to need or show in the top of the our web page. The next one is nested tag. We can write our tag within the another tag. It is also possible in HTML. That is called the nested tag. Suppose I want to write a italic font, it must be written in the heading tag. Then I will write a break tag in paragraph tag. So we can write the uh, tag within that tag. So this is the possible in the HTML. Then HTML heading tag. We can set the various size for the font, but in front of it, they are given the default tag, that is H1, H2, H3, H4 up to H6. H1 is having the lengthy and bold headings and reduce the size of the font. It is default black as well as. Okay, these are the heading tags. Then this example, I have given the H1, H2 up to H6. All these have showing that each and every font is reduced. So we can write our default heading like look. We can utilize this hashtag, that is heading tag. Otherwise, suppose you want to uh, write various size. Suppose I need not this type of size. I want to another color, another font, or another font size. It is also possible in HTML. This is right with the help of font tag. Font tag is uh, is a tag for specifying the font size, font color, and font face. The three attributes are there. Three attributes are used to fix your font color, font size, and font facing. There are the three attributes we can use in, for example, font size is 5, color is blue, face is person. So first one. Second one is font size is 8, color is green, face is veranda. So in this font, only the style attribute is supported 5. The first line is show the blue color, second line is show in the green color. So in this also possible in the HTML. Then HTML list. There are the three types of list available in the HTML. If you want to show your item one by one, you can use the list. There are the three types of list you can create in the HTML. One is order list, another one is unordered list, another one is defined list. If you want to develop order list, for example, you can develop 1, 2, 3, etc. You can use the order list one by one. It may be a numbering or it may be started with the alphabet. So this ordering list having the three attributes. One is time, another one is start, another one is reverse. Start it where you want to start the numbering. It may be a starting from 20 or starting from 25. Then type is 1, Roman letter 1, small Roman letter 1, and capital A and small a. Then start with. Then another one is reverse. This is the example for ordered list. For example, order list start with 50 here. Three items is there: coffee, tea, and milk. So coffee, tea, milk are listed one by one. The starting number is 50. Next one is 51. Another one is 52. Then another one order list is start with A. Starting number is 27. So coffee, tea, milk. So starting 27 is AA, AB, AC. Like this, you can create a order list. Then another one is unordered list. Unordered list is we cannot mention the starting, but we can mention the type of the unordered list. In this HTML, only four types is available: disk, circle, square, none. If you not specify the any one of these style, you can mention the none. Suppose you have to specify the disk. It is a circle, filled circle. Another one is circle. Say this is a circle. Type is circle. Item is HTML, Java, JavaScript, and SQL. So it is a circle. The next one is uh, disk. Disk is a filled circle. So the first one is disk, filled circle, square, circle. These are the unordered list items. Then order list items, decimal. First 1, 2, 3. Then decimal with the leading zeros. Then lowercase. Then lowercase with Roman numericals, etc. So, in this way, you can create your own uh, list items. Another one is definition list. Definition list is you cannot mention any one of the numbering, but you can write uh, your bold heading and paragraph. This is very useful mm, in the write up of books, definition, then paragraph. So it is a DL, DT, DD. Uh, Definition list, definition term, and definition data definitions. Three terms are we are using here. In the definition list, the DL is understood by HTML list, it is a definition list. Here, first one is definition list, second one is definition data, and define the definition. I am given that HTML. This is HTML is a markup language. So the HTML is given as a bold, another one is small. Then Java is given bold, another one is small. So this is a way of defining your definition language. So with the help of this definition language, we can write the without mentioning number or without mentioning uh, order or unordered, we can write our list. This is very useful in uh, book write-ups, title and paragraph. Title and paragraph. In this way, we have to write the various lists. So, in this HTML, we have to discuss about what is HTML and what are the tags. What is the basic tags we have to need? That is font and listers we have to discuss today. Thank you.